In this video, let's talk about how to ask Rufus for a custom buying guide for any hobby in Amazon. Rufus now has been completely replaced by Alexa, so you won't be able to find the Rufus assistant anywhere inside of Amazon. So what you need to do is use Alexa, which you can find on the bottom right of the screen. So you can simply tap on this option and then add in any sort of custom prompts. Let me show you an example prompt that you can copy. So you can use a similar prompt like this. This will depend upon your hobby as well. So you can just replace the surfboard with your exact hobby so that it can give you a custom buying guide. And it is going to give you instructions or a guide on what you should consider for your first purchase, especially if you are a beginner. So this is the exact section that you can use in order to use the AI assistant inside of Amazon for your custom buying guide. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.